Hey, what's up guys? My name is Maximilian, I'm part of VizMaker and Viz Academy team, and today I'm going to show you how to take any tile in your project and replace it with tiles from a reference image. Once you already have your SketchUp model finished and textured, you can upload it to VizMaker, and when your viewport is already uploaded to VizMaker, you can make a realistic image with it. And once you have your image ready, then we can start with texturing it with different tiles. And here I have prepared a couple of different tiles, and the only thing that you will have to do is to press left mouse button and then type this prompt. Change tile material to reference tiles slot 2, which means that we are gonna insert this texture into second slot in our node. Adjust scale of tiles to fit realistic proportions. And we can just do this for all of our images. And just take a look at those results. It's a perfect tool for interior designers or architects in overall. You can just upload your images, upload your textures, and try different ideas in seconds. And now let's compare some of those results. So we will choose our first image, and let's say I want to see this one, like a little bit more complicated pattern. And we can see that scale of our tiles got perfectly matched with what we had before. And let's see other results. Let's compare A and compare B for that result. And we got also a perfect match right here. And let's compare it to the actual tile. We can see that this tile got perfectly replicated on our image, and it is inserted in places that I exactly wanted them to be. Let's see other result. Let's say this one and this one. And also in here we got a perfect match. Maybe that's not the best tile for a bathroom, but anyway, just to try out different ideas, this just looks very good and very promising. So that will be a perfect tool for you if you want to try different designs options. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next videos.